Five Huge Dinosaurs, a story by Thomas Moore, illustrated by Chris Sexton. Five huge dinosaurs wading in a lake. They jiggle and wiggle and giggle because they pet a cake. Five huge dinosaurs dancing a jig. They rumble and grumble and stumble because they are so big. Five huge dinosaurs singing a song. They hush-a-bye, lullaby, Betty-bye because they play so long. Five huge dinosaurs taking a bow. They squabble and hobble and wobble because they don't know how. Five huge dinosaurs giggle when they wade, stumble when they dance, hush-a-bye when they sing, wobble when they bow, but one can say on their behalf, the five huge dinosaurs makes us laugh. The end.